I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to turn off and disable the private relay feature on your Apple MacBook. Step 1. Click to open the System Settings app. Step 2. Click your Apple profile name and picture in the menu on the left side of this screen. Your Apple account information is shown on the right side of the screen. Step 3. Click iCloud in this menu. Step 4. Navigate to the iCloud Features section and then click Private Relay. The Private Relay window opens. Step 5. Click to toggle off Private Relay. A window pops up letting you know that if you move forward with turning off the Private Relay feature, your IP address and browsing activity in Safari will no longer be hidden from websites and network providers, and you will no longer be protected from unsecured connections in apps. Step 6. Click Turn Off Private Relay and then click Done. The Private Relay feature will be turned off and disabled going forward. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.